Hey YouTube, so I'm going to show you how I do my makeup. Don't laugh at me, okay? I'm doing a video. Sorry, that was good. So I'm going to do my makeup. Okay. So I'm going to put it down here because I'm filming in the mirror. Okay. Hey, I'm still here. So, first what I do is put cream on my face first. So it's soft. This is Shea Butter Cocoa thing. To put some on my face myself. So this is so that it's soft. Then at first, what I do, I like to do my eyes first. So, I'm doing mascara. So, I'm just going to put this on. So that's mascara. Well, my mascara. Sorry, not mascara. So I'm going to put you down again. Really not put you down. For next, I'm going to use some eyeshadow color. I think is going to be best for me today. Some white, and some green. Green. Doesn't look green from your angle, but it is. Just put it on very lightly. I like a natural look. I hate doing makeup, so because I usually set my eye when I do it, but I do always poke my eye. I did when I was doing my mascara, I poked my eye. So it's kind of not even. Then next, I like to make a lot of my lips. And I pick up a fuss, really. But I'm going to go outside to a room where I can show you what I do with my lips, because I really like what I do. Follow me.